Hi, I'm Dr. Schlater, and I'm going to show you how to clean your hearing aid today. A good sign that your hearing aid needs to be cleaned is that maybe it doesn't sound as loud as it used to or as good as it used to. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to look at the dome. This is your dome here, and this is going to peel up. So you're going to peel that dome off, and you're going to look at your wax filter here. So this is your wax filter. If you see any wax on there, it's time to change it. And you'll change it with these. It does vary by brand, but several of the manufacturers, Phonak, Widex, Signia, they all use this wax filter here. So you have an empty end here for the old one, and then you have a new one. And what you're going to do is you're just going to pop that old one out with that empty end, just like that. You're going to turn it around, and you're going to push that new wax filter in there, just like that. If you have new domes, you can place a new dome on there as well. And to do that, there's a little hole in the middle here that you just need to line it up and push it on there and make sure that's on there secure. Another thing you can look at is the microphone. So you have a microphone here, here, and here on this aid. And if there's any dirt or debris, the hearing aid will not amplify normally. So what you're going to do is you're just going to brush each of those microphones out. And if you try the hearing aid and it's still not working after all of those steps, then it's time to bring it in for an appointment.